Hey there, this is Kevin with ConvertLabs, and I'm going to show you how to add a service provider, a contractor, a cleaner to the platform. So what you would do is if we go all the way to the left where it says service providers, we're going to click on this, and then we're going to click on the top right where it says add new service provider. So here we can create a title for them. This is what you're going to see. If you want, you can do things like have it be in alphabetical order. So for example, if you're in multiple cities and you don't want to use multi-locations, you can do something like AUS for your Austin location or something like that. And then when you're selecting your service providers, they'll be in alphabetical order. Otherwise, you can just say, Kevin, and this can either be an individual or a team lead, but this is somebody who is going to be receiving notifications when you assign them or you invite them to a job or any of that. So I could just put Kevin's team here. You can assign them a color code. This is going to be showing up on the calendar. First name, last name, you want to add their email address and their phone number. And that's kind of all you need. It's going to send them an email and invite them. But what we have right here, this option is allow the service provider to assign jobs to themselves. What this means is that when they log into the web browser or to the app on their phone, they can see any jobs in the system that are unassigned, meaning nobody's been assigned to that job yet. And they'll have the ability to assign it to themselves. So I don't recommend having this for new people, but if you have a cleaner you've been working with for a while and you love them and you trust them, you can turn this on so that every time they log in, they can look at the jobs that have nobody assigned to them and they can select the ones that they want. So that saves quite a bit of time. If you're using our multi-locations feature, you'll see this drop down here, which allows you to select a city that this person is going to be associated with. And this is only available in the multi-locations account. So go ahead, create service provider, and that's really all you got to do for this at this point. They're going to get an email, and that email is going to have a unique link. They don't have a username and password that they're maybe going to forget and cause issues down the road. It's just a link. And this is a secure link. It updates every 15 days or so. And with that link, they can log in and they can do certain things on their account, like view jobs that they've been invited to, view available jobs. They can view their jobs. They can set their availability, their business hours that they work. And then also under their jobs, they can mark different statuses, like they're running late or they're on the way or they started a job or completed a job. And we're GPS tracking those locations as well. So you'll be able to see that. And they're able to do other things like get directions for the job and see job details and all of that. So there's that. The other thing that you're going to want to do is set their wage. So if you come here, there's a couple of different things you can edit service provider, which is similar to the pop-up when you're adding them. You can delete them, and you can also resend their portal login link. You can edit their work schedule, and then you can edit their wage, which is something I recommend you do for all of them. So a lot of people, if they're hiring contractors, they might just pay them out a flat percentage of 60% or so. I would say probably 80% of people do this. And this just keeps things really, really simple because it's very easy to manage your margins this way. And what this will do, if you click update wage, and it'll save it on here, it's basically just going to calculate what you owe your service providers under payouts. So if you click on payouts after a job is completed, we don't have one here, but after a job is completed, you will see, oh, here we go. It's loaded. So you'll basically see what they're owed. And from this page, you can basically mark that you've paid them. So that way you can kind of keep track of things that way. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks a lot.